Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you how I use technology to simplify my daily life. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for some life hacks, this video is for you. Let's start with my morning routine. I use a smart alarm clock that gradually wakes me up with light and sound. It's a gentle way to start the day. Then I check my schedule on my smart mirror, which displays my calendar and weather updates. Home automation is a game changer. I have smart lights that turn on and off based on my schedule, and a smart thermostat that adjusts the temperature automatically. These devices not only save time, but also energy. For productivity, I rely on apps like Todoist and Evernote. Todoist helps me keep track of my tasks and deadlines, while Evernote is perfect for note-taking and organizing my thoughts. These apps sync across all my devices, so I can stay organized wherever I am. Staying healthy is important, and tech makes it easier. I use a fitness tracker to monitor my activity levels and sleep patterns. Apps like MyFitnessPal help me keep track of my diet and nutrition. For entertainment, I use streaming services like Netflix and Spotify. My smart speaker is great for playing music, setting reminders, and even controlling other smart devices with voice commands. It's a great way to unwind after a long day. That's how I use tech to simplify my daily life. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments how you use tech in your daily life. Thanks for watching.